Hi guys, this week on What's Cooking Wahida, we are making a minced or ground beef kofta with coriander seed in a tomato sauce, the typical type of kofta found in Afghanistan. This dish can be served with rice or with fresh baked bread. Let's get this started. Today I'm making 6 meatballs. This is what we need. 1 pound ground beef. I'm using 10% fat. 1 large white onion. 1 tablespoon crushed coriander seeds. 4 large garlic cloves. Half a teaspoon black pepper. Half a tablespoon salt. We are just going to chop 1 large white onion into a large chunks just to help the food processor get started. Place the onion and garlic cloves in the processor and blitz until onion is minced. Add in the rest of our spices and pause until incorporated. Finally, we add in the meat in small chunks and pause until everything is mixed. In a bowl, mix the meat by hand and start making hockey puck sized and shaped meatballs. Remember, we want 6, so make each one accordingly. Let's move on to the sauce and what we need to make it. Half a cup olive oil, half white onion, quarter can tomato paste, 2 cloves garlic, half a teaspoon chili pepper, half a teaspoon turmeric, half a teaspoon salt, half tablespoon paprika. We need to finely chop the half onion in a saucepan. Add half cup olive oil and set to medium-high heat. Add the onion. We want to brown the onion or slightly fry them, and crush in the 2 garlic cloves. Add the tomato paste and turn off the heat so we don't burn the paste while we cook out the acidity. Add in the spices and mix the base for the sauce well. Now add in 2 cups of water to dilute the base for the sauce and set to the medium heat. Now we add in the meatballs, and if the sauce starts to boil, lower to medium-low heat. Leave the meatballs on heat for 15 minutes and let the sauce thicken. Set the heat to low. Place the lid on the saucepan for about 15 minutes to soften the meatballs. Now the meatballs are ready to plate and serve. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys like this recipe. If you did, hit the thumbs up. If you have any question or comment, leave them below. If you want more recipe like this, hit the subscribe button. I post weekly recipe videos. So come back next week to see what's cooking.